How to fix incoming call and notification not coming on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve issues when you're missing calls and notifications. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps to view all applications. Following that, find the phone app or dialer in the app list and tap on it. Now, tap on Notifications and make sure all notification categories are enabled. Moving forward, go back to Settings and tap on Notifications. Afterwards, make sure Do Not Disturb mode is turned off. In addition to that, scroll down and check that app notifications are enabled for phone, messages, and other important apps. Once there, go back to Settings and tap on Battery and Device Care. Subsequently, tap on Battery and then tap on Background Usage Limits. Moreover, make sure your phone and messaging apps are not on the sleeping apps or deep sleeping apps list. Afterwards, if they are listed there, tap on the app and select Remove. Then go back to Settings and tap on Connections. Within Connections, tap on More Connection Settings and check Airplane Mode is off. Alternatively, restart your device by holding the power button and selecting Restart. Once restarted, test incoming calls and notifications to see if the issue is resolved. And that's it. If this call and notification fix helped you stay connected, give it a like, subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.